Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2009 Suzuki Boulevard C50. This is a beautiful classic style cruiser, 800cc V-twin, liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's got the engine guards, floorboards, Mustang saddle. It's got a passenger backrest and luggage rack. This bike also has a quick release switchblade mini windscreen. It goes up front. Beautiful shaft drive, nice chrome and satin black finish. Price to sell just $39.99. This bike has 23,000 miles, ready to go. Come on by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes